Alright, so I'm going to be doing the service page template. This is where I'm building out the individual service pages. I'm just going to show you on the first one. I don't need to show you on every single one. I'm going to use the same template. It's pretty straightforward. The only thing that I would really change between each one of them is the keywords that I use for optimization, and then I would change this. So the first one's just general junk removal, and so there's just the generic keywords. This is the generic all-inclusive kind of junk removal page, just to have some more content that talks about general junk removal, and then it gets into appliance and furniture and all that. This would be like appliance removal if it's for that page. So this is the script that I'm using. You can pause it, read through it. Same kind of concept. I'm really just describing what I want. And then I highlight the whole thing. I have ZimmWriter over here. Highlight, Control V. Now I'll pause this. Come back when it's done. So we've got this content generated. Again, here it gives you the readout of how much it costs. So 3.1 cents. Let's see. Here's our H1, quality junk root H2, SEO optimized description of the services. And again, I don't want to read through this whole thing. You can pause it and read the content, but again, you'll also be able to just go to the website because I'm sharing everything. You can see what I published. Here is the home page from the other content that was generated, just some stock images that I got from Adobe Stock, and then I put in the standard stuff, got some testimonials from the GMB, the maps, get pricing, pretty basic stuff here. But yeah, it's so compelling tagline. Let us take the hassle out of junk removal. I don't know how compelling that is. Let's see how close this got to 250, because that's one of the things that I've noticed. 106 words. So I bumped some of these up. Here, what is this one? I asked for 150. They did 86. So it seems like when I ask for 100 or 150 that I get like 50 or 60 words. And so if I ask for 250 or 300, I end up getting more like 100, which is what I want. So some of these I might still bump up a little bit more and see if it'll give me a little more text. Again, though, this is junk removal, so what are you really going to say about it? That's why it's difficult for a person to write content that doesn't sound terrible. Even with most AIs, it's going to be pretty bad, which is why I think this is a good use case, or a good case study, because this is a difficult niche to write about. It's boring. We'll take your junk away. That's all the website needs to say. We'll take your junk away, but that's not going to rank on Google. We've got all the sections here. We got some more FAQs. Those are all pretty generic. Include an optimized H2. So for each one of these, I asked for an optimized H2 to be included. And the H2 is actually after each one of the sections, which is a little weird. I feel like it's better to ask it to write the H2 after it wrote the content. So I'll have to look at these results a little bit and analyze it, but I may change this script to say something like, then write an H2, an optimized H2 based on the content that you just wrote, or something like that. I'll have to work on the wording. So then you really get these nicely crafted H2s. So it's not like random H2s. It's going to be relevant to what was written. I think that's probably the best way to do it. But here's the content. I'm going to go throw it in the page. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, whatever. Watch this playlist. This is where I'll be posting more videos and all the updates. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.